What's up, guys? That's a school? I didn't even know that was a school over there. Wow. Alright. Heading to work today. I gotta go to Parkland again. It's gonna be a long drive back, a long drive forward. But we'll see what the day got looking ahead today. Traffic everywhere, damn. Oh, my AirPods right here. They went around this way. Let's try it. Oh, it just take me on a back road. Oh, wow. Actually, like, kind of on the back road, then the sidewalk. A little bit. This is the only part I hate, I ain't gonna lie. I know I was gonna hit that, but we ain't gonna go this way. We're going this way. I just know I was gonna hit that, bro. Why it's so dark over here? Oh, cause that's blocking the shade. I put an application in for that right there. I'm supposed to be meeting with them Friday though. Wow, look at all them bikes. Let's go over here. Bruh, them bikes gotta be stolen, bro. Yeah, bro. Them bikes stolen. They gotta be stolen, bro. On everything. I seen an electrical bike, I was like, and they sleeping on the ground, bro. Ain't nobody over there. I won't say that, but it's a possibility. Possibility. like going through there. Go Man, shut now. Oh, you guys hear me? I'm listening to Drake, so. Woo. Now we're in a parking lot behind the movie theaters. Over here it looks like I can't even explain it. Can't really explain how it looks. I go this way, yeah. Ooh, damn. Seven seis. No face, 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 no face. That's like the hardest song to me on Drake. I don't know, but it's like that song is like the best song for me. To me, one of his best songs. On me. Make me feel these days, baby girl, coming on my body for you. Hey, yo, Dave. Oh, he can't hear me. Here. Oh, middle of the week. What's back here? My bike getting all wet. Okay. So I'm. Oh. Oh my goodness, bro. That's funny. Yeah. Pedal assist. You gotta love it. Just got back, y'all. Like I said, I had to work in Parkland today, but I don't know if I'm gonna be working tomorrow. I don't know. Oh, I am working tomorrow. I think I'm working in Deerfield this time. I gotta fix my back brake, so I messed it up. I didn't mean to do that, but now I gotta fix it. I think this is making noises. I don't know. I'm trying to push it close though. My wheel flat. No. Okay. But yeah, I just work in Parkland today. Trying to see. Yeah, okay, I'm going that way. Okay.